there guys, it's Rhyaree here. Hope you're all doing really well. Today I have a really exciting video for you all, and it's all thanks to the guys over at Darksided and ZQRacing. I have been blessed to be delivered a beautiful ZQRacing Alien Series chair. And not only does this chair look absolutely amazing, but for someone who spends multiple hours at their desk every single day, this chair has everything when it comes to comfortability. It has neck and lumbar support, can fully recline, and has full ergonomic body support. So you can probably see why I'm really excited to go open this. So that is exactly what we're going to do, but for someone who doesn't build stuff all that often, this could be quite interesting. But it does have quick and easy assembly, so that will make my life a lot easier. So enough talking, and let's go build this chair. This chair build is complete, and if I do say so myself, this chair looks pretty freaking awesome. Again, a huge thank you to Darksided and ZQRacing for providing this chair for me today. I couldn't be more grateful, so thank you so much. I honestly think this chair and I are going to have an amazing friendship, and I really look forward to spending countless hours streaming and sitting at my desk in this brand new chair. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I look forward to making many more in the future. I'll catch you around. See ya!